Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to export image to a file. So I have loaded a data named as Office City Sales. I have clicked on reload. Now go to this QlikView document and go to this new sheet object. Then over here, we have to create a chart and that we can export to as an image. So over here you can find out option as export image to a file. So how you can export it? So if you have created a chart, let us go to this particular new sheet object and click on chart. So I'll click on this block chart, give name as office sales, click on next, add the dimensions, market as well as state. From where you have to, so we want it from the table name as office city sales, click on next. Now expression window is open. You have to select the sum of office city sales, select it as office sales, paste it, click on OK, click on next, click next, 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 and then finish. So over here we have given the name as the sum of office sales for market in the south market, and the state is Texas, so sum of sales is around 630. So accordingly it is being changed. So how we have to export this? Now right click over here, go to the option name as export image to a file, give name as say 4 image, save it. When I'll go over here and type my pictures, so over here you can so if I go to this particular menu and type over here as click 4, so it is going to show us the image. So this is the block chart which is being exported in the form of image. So in this way we can export the chart in the form of image. So this is being saved as click for image. I hope you have understood how to export image to a file. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.